Hi guys, this is by Ellipse online learning platform, and in this video we will be discussing how to balance chemical equations. But before we get started, let's first understand the difference between chemical reaction and a chemical equation. The process in which substance undergo a chemical change to produce new substance with entire new properties are known as chemical reaction. On the other hand, a chemical equation is a symbolic representation of a chemical reaction in the form of symbols and formula. Try to understand this concept with the help of example. Consider the reaction between magnesium burned in air to form magnesium oxide. The chemical reaction can be represented as follows. So the top one is a chemical reaction and the bottom one is a chemical equation. We use chemical equation to represent chemical reactions. Okay. This chemical equation can also be written in more short form, and it's something look like this. So as you can see, the Mg plus O2 and then arrow towards the MgO. Magnesium and oxygen burnt together and place a reaction to form magnesium oxide. So here Mg plus O2 is a reactant and MgO is a product. Basically, what we have before reaction is a reactant and what we have after reaction is a product. However, the equation is not yet balanced. In order to balance this equation, we need to follow the laws of conservation of mass. Laws of conservation of mass states that the mass in an isolated system can neither be created nor be destroyed, but can be transformed from one form to another. It means that the laws of conservation of mass states that in a chemical reaction, the mass of the reactant must be equal to the mass of the product. Therefore, in order to balance a chemical equation, we need to ensure that the number of atoms of each element on the both reactant and the product side are same. So let's see the equation that we have. Here you can see that the atoms in Mg in the reactant side is 1 and in the product side is also 1, means atoms for Mg is equal from the both side. But the atoms of oxygen in the reactant is 2 and in the product is 1. It means that the atoms of oxygen is not equal, means this equation is unbalanced. Okay. Let's balance the chemical equation for the reaction between magnesium burnt in air to form magnesium oxide. On the reactant side, we have one atom of magnesium and two atoms of oxygen. On the product side, we have one atom of magnesium and one atom of oxygen as well. Well, it means the equation is unbalanced because we haven't the same number of atoms of each element on both sides of the equation. To equal the number of atoms from both sides, I will multiply magnesium with 2 and then multiply magnesium with 2. And then we get our balanced chemical equation. Here you can see, in the reactant side, the magnesium have 2 atoms. In the product side, also magnesium have 2 atoms. In the reactant side, oxygen have 2 atoms, and in the product side, oxygen have 2 atoms. So all the atoms from all the elements from the both side of reactant and product are equal. It means the chemical equation is balanced. So that's how you balance a chemical equation. We hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos like this. Thank you for watching.